Hi guys, my name is Isabel. I'm a recreation service leader here at Stephen Sorensen Park, and I want to show you guys how to get this cute octopus at home. So from what you guys can see, this is what you will be needing. From right to left on your end, you will be needing blue construction paper, a pencil, a glue stick, and a black marker. If you guys don't have a Sharpie, you can use any black marker. Also, if you don't have a glue stick, feel free to use any glue that you guys have on hand, and we will go ahead and get started. So what I want you guys to do is we're gonna start curling the ends of our tentacles. I already have 6 done. I'm gonna show you guys how to do these 2 here on the side. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your pencil, and then you're just gonna get the end of one paper, and then you're just gonna start rolling it up onto the pencil, just like that, and then pull it out, and you already have a curled end. Again, we're gonna do the same thing on this one. Roll it around your pencil, just like that. Pull it out, and you have your curled tentacles. Once you've curled all 8 of the tentacles, you're gonna go ahead and glue them on the back of the body of the octopus. So you're gonna grab your glue, and we're gonna be gluing it all the way around the body of the octopus. So you're just gonna get it on the very top of the paper. So we're just gonna glue one end and put it on the back just like that. And we're gonna go all the way around doing the same thing, just putting glue on the top of the tentacle. What's really fun about this is you can really get creative on how you do your octopus. You can do a rainbow octopus, doing different color tentacles. Really whatever you guys want to do, you can add all kinds of things to it. This is your guys' octopus. It's really fun to do, especially using the glue. What kid doesn't like to play with glue? Oops. So just a few more here. And then our last one. So now we have all the tentacles around the whole body of the octopus, and we're gonna put on his eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this black Sharpie. If you guys don't have a Sharpie, any black mark you guys have, if you guys have googly eyes, go ahead and use the googly eyes. Really the sky's the limit. And we're just drawing on 2 circles onto his face. And then we have his eyes. And then from here, like I said, you guys can start adding anything you guys want. If you guys want to put glitter on it, add the suction cups onto his tentacles, anything you guys want, whatever your child's imagination is going. And then once you guys are done, you can go ahead and finish, and that's about it. Thank you so much for joining us for our at-home craft. If you guys can give us a subscribe, click down on the notification button so you guys can know when every time we upload. I will see you guys here next time. Bye.